Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shivang Mitra. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to multiply two-digit numbers and three-digit numbers very fast. Now the first thing, he, he like there are like incredible benefits of calculating quite fast. Like it can get tests done faster. I mean, you shouldn't hurry, but it will get those tests done faster. Like you can impress your friends. Like amazing tricks that I'm going to show you. The first, I'm going to be showing you how to multiply two-digit numbers very fast. Now, using this method, I was able to calculate in about 30 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds. In some calculations, I was able to do it in about 25 seconds. But yeah, you can just keep on practicing, switch on the stopwatch and see in how much time you get the correct answer. Now let's say I want to multiply 34. Yeah, I'm doing it with the mouse. 34 multiplied by 49 or 47. Yeah. Okay. 34 multiplied by 47. Now the first step is to multiply the unit digit of both of these numbers. So first, okay, just hang on a second. Yeah. So first we've got 4 and we've got 7. So we multiply them both, we get 28. Then you multiply the digits on the left hand side, the tens digits 3 and 4, which multiplies up to 12. Create some space. Yeah, 12 and 28. This and this and this and this. So 12 and 28. Now you have to multiply the means, which is the unit digit number of one and the tens digits of another number and the opposite. So basically 4 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 7, that kind of thing. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 8 and 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to sorry, that is addition. Okay, I think I gotta erase this. Yeah, so 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16 plus 3 multiplied by 7, which equals 21. Now you can add these both, which equals 37. Yes. Now you have to put this 37 in between. And now, so these are the three basic units that you have got over here: 12, 37, 28. Oh, and by the way, when you multiply two-digit numbers, it cannot exceed 5 digits, and this is 6 digits if we look at it just like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this 2 over here. Yeah, we're going to add this 2 over here. Okay, yeah, this 2 over here to 37, which will equal 39. So 39 yeah, 39. This will become 8 because the 2 is gone, and 12. Now you have to add this 3 over here to 12, so it will become 15, 9, 8. So that is the answer. 1598, 1598. I know the handwriting is like really bad, but I just said it verbally. So yeah, I mean, I hope you can understand that. I'll just check it with the calculator. 34 multiplied by 47. 4 multiplied by 47. 1598. Okay, so I'm correct. So this was the method. You basically have to add this carryovers, carries, what is it called? I don't know. Basically, I have to add the tens digit of the first unit to the second unit, and the tens digit of the second unit after the operation, of course, to the third unit. I'd like to call it units. So this was the method basically for 2-digit numbers. Now I'm gonna just a second. Yeah. Now I'm gonna erase all of this. Clear canvas. Now we are going to be multiplying 3-digit numbers. So say 452 multiplied by 717. Yeah. Now we can write it in another way to get that. So then I have to erase all of this. Yeah. So say, what was the number? Okay, I forgot that. Say 442 multiplied by 273. I just made it easier for you. Now I'm going to be writing the carryovers over here. This is just trash. But I'm going to be writing the carryovers on this side. So 442 multiplied by 273. And my handwriting is like really bad. But I'm doing it with the mouse. And that's a valid excuse. Now, what was that? Yeah. Yeah, I think I remembered it. I think. So first you've got to multiply 2 multiplied by 3, which is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Then you gotta multiply. So 2 multiplied by 3. Then you gotta multiply. You gotta create a division here of 4, 2, 7, 3. A unit kind of sorta. Now you've got to multiply 7 and 2, which is 14, and 4 and 3, which is 12. 14 plus 12 is equal to 20. 26. Yeah. So 6 and carry over of 2. Now so this was the second unit. Now the third part of this is 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. 4 multiplied by 7, which is 28. So 12 plus 28, 40, plus 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. So 44. 44 plus 2, so 46. 6 and and now it is 4, the carryover. This is a 5-step process, by the way. Now yeah, now you're going to create a division of this 4, 4 and 2, 7. So 4 multiplied by 7, 28, and 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 28 plus 8, 36. Oh my god, there's so many 6's. So, oh, sorry, 36 plus 4, this was the carryover. So the carryover is 4 again, this because it is 40. So this will become 0. Yeah, now you've got to multiply 4 and 2. Yeah, 4 and 2, which is 8 plus 4, 12. 120666. 120666. Yeah. Okay, now let me check. 442 multiplied by 273. 273. 120666. Actually, I wasn't sure what the method was. I'd forgotten it, but guess what? I got it correct. So this is the method. You can practice it over and over again. This is a 5-step method, by the way, 5-step process. It will take you about a minute or so. Actually, it will be harder, I think. But if you do it with pen and paper, it will be like really fast. You can do it really fast, basically. It's a pretty amazing method. I hope you implement it, and you subscribe to the channel. Just just click the subscribe button down below. Click on the post notifications bell so that you don't miss another video. And also smash the like button on this video. Just don't care about anything else. Gotta watch my coming videos. So just do it.